Well, section 1.5, and we're going to practice working with formulas. So our task is to solve. Here we've given a formula, 3x, or an equation. 3x equals a over b, and we've got to solve for x. So I'm going to rewrite that. So 3x equals a over b. Now, we need to isolate x. So we need to get rid of that 3. Well, that's a product of 3 and x. What's the inverse operation of multiplication? It's division, or we could simply multiply by the reciprocal of 3, which is 1/3, and we'll multiply both sides by 1/3, because the product of reciprocals is 1. The 3's divide out, and you get x all by itself, and now we know how to multiply fractions. A times 1 is a, and 3 times b is 3b, and we're done. We've isolated x. We've solved for x. So I have another one of these to do, and here it is. We've got to solve z equals 4 times and the difference of x and y. And we've got to solve for x. So let's see. Let me rewrite that. Z equals 4 times x minus y. By the way, I'm going to back up. Do you mind if I just switch sides? I'm more comfortable doing it that way, getting the variable I'm trying to isolate on the left and everything else on the right. Now, we have to undo this multiplication to start off with. We've got to get rid of that 4. We want a 1 in the 4 position, so we'll just have x minus y. And so we'll do what we just did a moment ago. We'll multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4. And 1/4. And now the 4's divide out, and we have x minus y equals, and z times 1 is z, and we have a 1 in the denominator of z, but it's understood, and 1 times 4 is 4, so we get z over 4. Now the only thing we have to do to isolate x, we'll just add y to both sides, and so minus y plus y is 0, and x plus 0 is x, and that equals z over 4 and plus y, and we've done it.